Hey there, you grinding fools. Welcome back to Dan's Grinding Customs. In today's video, we're doing an oil change on this 2017 Subaru Outback Premium 2.5 liter. Oh, this thing's a race car. Either way, haven't had much content lately. Got an oil change to do, so I figured, why not bring you grinding fools around? So, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, just gonna get under there. Gotta loosen the oil drain plug, let it all drain out, then I'll bring you in on the engine bay, and we'll change the oil filter, put it back on, and throw some oil back on. So, we'll be right back. Alright, so there we go. Now we're draining. Nice clean oil. Yep, oil's good. Gotta verify with the oil taste. So yes, now we got the oil draining. That's gotta take a little bit of a second there to finish draining out. And I'll bring you in the engine bay and we will get going. Alright, so there we go. Now we're draining. Nice clean oil. Yep, oil's good. Gotta verify with the oil taste. So yes, now we got the oil draining. That's gotta take a little bit of a second there to finish draining out. And I'll bring you in the engine bay and we will get going. Here we go, grinding fools. There we go. So our oil filter is pre-filled. Make sure it's nice and hot. Look at that. Almost no spillage. Well, I know this isn't much of a video, but it is a video. I'm doing an oil change, and I figured maybe you guys would like to come around to our daily life. I just finished up an oil change on a 2017 Buick Regal Premium Turbo. I didn't bring you along with that, but I figured I would with this. Like I said, these hand tight, no more, no less. Should do it, I think. Oh yeah. There it is. And then, like I said, I like to make sure it's 100% clean. You don't want the customer being upset here. The crap's all dirty. So, got to take care of the people. Alright, so, funnel. Common sense. I'm pretty good at pouring. I don't need it, but with my luck lately, I'm going to use it. So, here we go. Comes the dino juice. Look at that. Ooh. Nom 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 nom. Well, I hope you guys have been well. We will be giving you some update videos on the 1950 GMC shop truck and the old Dan Yodi. But I figured we'll start making some videos on the daily things because Dan Yodi is going to be put away for the season and we're not going to be really working on it until the spring. Alright, so this calls for 5 quarts. I think it might be more, but we'll let this settle. We're going to check it. We'll start it, bring it for a drive, let it warm up, and we'll see where she's at. So just there we go. Let's kind of do one of those, do one of those. Old filter. Yep, one of those. Wrench. Okay. Cool. Check. That up. Okay. Forget your cap here. Grab me a shop towel. check the oil here. Oh yeah, nice and clean. All be dipped. 5 quarts was enough to make it nice and full. Alright, so that's it for an oil change. Really just straightforward, nice and simple. Don't forget to clean up after yourself. Double check your drain plug, your oil filter, your oil fill cap. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Still there, you don't want to cause someone a seized engine or internal damage on the pistons or whatever. That's all, you grinding fools. We're going to go for a little test drive. I'll bring you guys along because why not? And yeah, so we'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Alright, now we got that oil disposed of. You can do 5 gallons a day, which is nice, because we probably got a lot more than that just kicking around. Alright, stop, directional, good to go. Okay. Alright, yeah, so that's about that. Everything's driving good here. We disposed of our oil. Went through a super quick oil change. So I'm going to call that quits for today. And don't forget to keep on grinding. And stay tuned. Drop a like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you do, if you don't, I don't mind either way. But I like to provide some fun for everybody. So, till next time, keep on grinding.